A lot of the estrogenic discussions around clary sage comes from one constituent called sclerol. Because of its structure, it was initially assumed that it might have hormone-like activity, but structure similarity alone doesn't tell us much clinically. And in fact, in this context, it isn't even a steroid hormone, which means it isn't derived from cholesterol. It doesn't form estrogen or progesterone or testosterone. To be precise, it's actually a bicyclic diterpene alcohol. For a compound to have an estrogenic effect in humans, it has to bind to these receptors with meaningful affinity and reach biologically relevant concentrations. When we look at the human data on inhalation or topical use of clary sage essential oil, this doesn't appear to be the case. There isn't strong enough evidence of clinical significance that shows estrogenic activity. In fact, preclinical data actually shows that this compounds to have anti-proliferative effects in breast cancer lines. Furthermore, the amount of sclerol present in clary sage varies greatly based on quality distillation processes and the part used of the plant. And it's just not the predominant compound found in clary sage. Esters are. So clary sage being estrogenic doesn't hold up in human research.